Alright, this is my first Python program. What we had to do was we had to make an HTML file and put it onto a server and then run it to see if it'll come up, and that's what I did. What we first had to do was prepare a server socket, and I called my IP address and the port that I'm using, made it listen to it. I then had to make a message, get it to receive at a different port, and then output the data, or I had to read the file, output it, file.read. I then had to send one HTTP header line into the socket, which right here, HTTP /1.1 200 OK /r/n/r/n. This will read the hello world file header and put it as its own. I then had to send a response message to the file if the file is not found, so I had to send like 404 file not found, and then I had to close the connection socket. And this is my code. I'm sorry, I'm a little jumpy. It's on a phone because the Cam Studio is not running for me. I don't know why it's not working. I'm sorry about that. But this is my code. You can pause this if you want to see it all. Now let's run it to see if it'll work. Oh, there we go. Ready to serve. So we just go over to any web browser and we type in 192.168. Let's just redo this then, just to show you. Sorry about that. 192.168.1.73. The two dots above each other. The port 8765 /hello world.html. And if we hit run, it'll bring you to hello world. This is my first HTTP web server assignment. Alright, that works. We know that it'll find the file. What if we call a file that's not found? So we'll call hello word. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't like that. It's 404 file not found. The header comes up as the same as what you put, and that's how it runs. I had a couple problems with it, but I was able to figure it out. One was that when I did the first program out, I did it with a different port, and then I saved it, and I came back to it at another time, and for some reason it wasn't letting me use that same port, so I had to change it to a different port. The other one was when I was calling the header to read the file, it wasn't reading the file. That was only because I did not put it into the right folder as what the Python program was, so that was my bad. But once I figured it out, it ran perfectly, and that was my first Python program. And I'm sorry for using a video camera. The screen capture camera was not working for me. I'll have to figure that out later. Thank you.